This is the oldest shirt that I rock. 7 years old, Santa Cruz, California. About to show you guys my walk on Fitness Street to get to my gym, Superfit. So let's go. Guys, be respectful of your neighbors like a seasoned traveler. This is how you close the door. You don't slam it. And this is the quietest room by far because you're all the way at the top. On top we have the pool, but directly on top of us we have the restaurant, which is quiet. So over on this side, you have the gym on top of you, which can be noisy. So there's some people that work out early in the morning. And as you can see, I have no neighbor on this side. So, and I've been blessed with the neighbor next to me. She's very quiet. Don't hear her. She only comes out to the balcony and smokes every once in a while. And that's it. So I extended my stay here at the Blue Mavi. This is a great hotel. It has its perks. Like the dip, they have a cold dip. They have an onsen, which is a jacuzzi basically. Which is over there. I'll show you guys later. I also have a sauna and steam room. Okay. Hello. Hopefully it doesn't rain because I didn't bring my umbrella since I was gonna be vlogging. And just an FYI guys, I have the Go Ultra, the new one, the 360. And the reason it's on the handheld is because it records longer if you have it on the pendant by itself, because you know you can remove it from the action cam, which that's where it's at now. It only lasts about 15 minutes out in the sun, or 20 something minutes if you're like somewhere cool in the mall. Got my bro jug. I'm doing something new now, which I kind of like. I'm actually putting my protein in there now, so I drink it as I'm working out instead of just chugging it at the end. Only reason I started doing that is because I lost my shaker. I lose everything. So look at the chickens. Zoom. See, we see my buddies along the way. By that I mean cats and dogs that I've met and bonded with. That's the hotel up there. The pool way at the top, which is nice. Look at the baby chicks. Morning. Here's where my buddies live. Hey, what's up, brother?
How are you?
Good, and you?
Good.
About to
I'm
get
about
it
to
in.
go check in.
Oh, we're here at the Blue Mavi?
Yeah.
Oh, you like it better than here?
It's different.
I know, man. Me too. I went to a different hotel, came back over here, man. Big difference. The beds are more comfy over here. You got the cold dip and all that. So, all right, brother. See you, man. Yeah, that's my homie that I met here at the cold dip. He's from Florida. He speaks French, like most Haitians. He's of Haitian descent. So. He's a trucker. His name's Alan. And I'm usually not up this early, but couldn't sleep last night. Probably got like 3 hours of sleep. No one's fault by my own. Talk to you guys about stuff that I know already. So this pharmacy here is a no-go. And then this food place is coming up. The lady, bad vibes. Talk to you guys about that in a little bit. Well, I just don't want to go and tell you the story, but yeah. A lot of people like it. I'll pass. I'll show you the places I do like. Right here, this is your go-to spot, guys. Gorilla. Come say hi. You won't regret it. I've been here 2.5 weeks and I still haven't had a cheat meal. So, and I don't think I'm not craving sweets, so I won't come here. I'm going to this Uzbek spot down the road by Ali's Barbecue. Oh, this is the go-to spot right here for supplements. There's so many on the boulevard or on the soy Ta-ied, the soy street here. But this is mine. This is where I go. You get yourself whatever type of protein you like. I like the hydrolyzed protein because I'm cutting, so definitely do that. It's cleanest version, most expensive, easily absorbable. Bioavailability is always there. This place, Super Eats, is very popular. Not if you're cutting like a bodybuilder does, where you're just low carbine or no carbine or carnivore. But if you're crossfitting or whatever, or just a fighter, you might like it. This is the Anshan Hotel where I wasn't treated right. This is one of my gyms right here, Primal Fitness. I'm a member. The thing about this gym is you need permission to record. So, but it's a cool gym. When I don't want to walk all the way to Superfit, I'll come here. I'm a massage therapist. That's the best massage therapist here on the whole boulevard. I've already tried several, and I was staying here at the Blue Hotel, but as you can see, what's directly in front of it, I moved. I was pissed because they didn't put this on their website. So I'm a light sleeper, but even if you're not a light sleeper, this type of a construction will disturb most anyone. So this pharmacy here is a no-go. That pharmacy's a no-go. They're at this place where it says Scandalize. You can check out your visceral fat and all that other stuff. And then right next to it, well, to where it says Physio Fit, you come say hi to my friend Nina. She's a physical therapist there. God, I wish I knew how to zoom. Insta360 zoom. Let me see. Nope, don't know how to zoom. Anyways, that's the spot if you're in pain. Come check it out. And this is my go-to eating spot right here. One of them. I'd say my second favorite, which is called Coco's with a K. And this place is cool. I'll tell you why. It's called Coco Hut, but that's not why. I'm like on a really strict diet. So I had my own lean beef that I needed, you know, for someone to cook for me because my hotel didn't have a kitchen. Anyways, so I brought it here to them, and they made it for me with egg and chili peppers. Of course, I also bought some stuff on the side, you know, like I got chicken and I got spinach, which is all part of my diet, basically all I eat. But they were kind enough to do it here. And that other spot earlier where I told you was a no-go, she was not too friendly. So one of my friends lives here, a husky puppy, but usually he's here. It's not here right now. And two old beagles. Popular Muay Thai gym. And there's always fights here, guys. Always fights. If you guys want to see a live one, go on to my YouTube channel. I recorded live from Ali's boxing gym. People from all over the world. Mostly Thai, Russian. See some English folk. Oh, my Thai barber. That's where I get my braids. Most everyone here with long hair gets braided up once in a while, especially the fighters. So, right there, I get braided up. What's up, brother? My Thai. And this pharmacy right here is definitely a go-to pharmacy. It's closed right now. If I wasn't cutting, this is where I would be eating. This is a good massage place. Oh, there's my massage therapist right there, sitting down. So this is a good massage place. I prefer Tops over 7-Eleven because you don't need a minimum to buy anything with your credit card. So, and I have one of those credit cards that have like 0 foreign transaction fees, so I use it a lot. 7-Eleven is minimum 200 baht. So if you just want yourself like a 25 baht Gatorade, can't have it. And I'm gonna come here because someone recommended it. This is more than just a massage place. It's like a chiropractor, but they don't call it massage that here. It's they call it Thai traditional bone setting. here on Sunday. This is one of the more popular gyms here. Unit 27, CrossFit style. This one right here. Most of these places, as far as food is concerned, and protein is just like a straight up protein shop, protein shake shop. Most of these places are just cash only, so you do need cash. This is another great pharmacy right here. I like her, she works with me. Stuff that I could get in Spain but couldn't get here, she actually got for me, so. I'll take you guys down that way. That's where Tiger Muay Thai is in the future, but for now, that's my gym right there. And I am gonna cut it because I do a little ritual before I go in, so it takes a while. And then I'm gonna record my big lifts, see if I can today. See what's up. So much construction going on here in Phuket.
Нет, все, оплачивай сушу, все. И посмотри, сколько нам можно оплатить.
Hear a lot of Russian being spoken here, man. Russians are so down to earth. At least the ones I've met, male and female. The ones I met here, man, met some good Russian friends. And Latvians, met some Latvians. So. There it is. We've arrived at Superfit. See you guys in a little bit.